Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the crimes of conspiracy to commit sedition and inciting to sedition. Conspiracy to commit sedition. The crime of conspiracy to commit sedition is governed by Article 141 of the Revised Penal Code as amended. Take note that we have discussed already the crime of sedition in our previous video. I will put the link on the description box down below. There is conspiracy to commit sedition when two or more persons come to an agreement to rise publicly and tumultuously to attain any of the objects specified in Article 139 and they decide to commit it. May conspiracy to commit sedition pag may dalawa o higit pang tao ang nagkasundo upang gawin ang krimeng sedition at napagpasyahang gawin nga ito. Take note po, unlike po sa ibang crimes against public order, wala pong proposal to commit sedition. Ulitin natin, walang proposal to commit sedition. Conspiracy to commit sedition lang. Next, inciting to sedition. The crime of inciting to sedition is governed by Article 142 of the Revised Penal Code as amended. Inciting to sedition is a crime committed by any person who, without taking any direct part in the crime of sedition, should incite others to the accomplishment of any of the acts which constitute sedition, by means of speeches, proclamations, writings, emblems, cartoons, banners, or other representations tending to the same end, or upon any person or persons who shall utter seditious words or speeches, write, publish, or circulate spurious libels against the government, or any of the duly constituted authorities thereof, or which tend to disturb or obstruct any lawful officer in executing the functions of his office, or which tend to instigate others to cabal and meet together for unlawful purposes, or which suggest or incite rebellious conspiracies or riots, or which lead or tend to stir up the people against the lawful authorities or to disturb the peace of the community, the safety and order of the government, or who shall knowingly conceal such evil practices. Ano ang krimeng inciting to sedition o pag-udyok sa sedisyon? Ang krimen ng pag-uudyok sa sedisyon ay isang krimen na gawa ng sinumang hindi direktang lumalahok sa krimen ng sedisyon, ngunit nag-uudyok ng ibang tao na magsagawa ng anumang gawaing maituturing na sedisyon sa pamamagitan ng mga talumpati, pahayag, pagsulat, sagisag, bandila o iba pang representasyon. Ito rin ay gawa ng sinumang tao o grupo ng mga tao sa pamamaraan ng pagbitiw ng mga mapanguyam na salita o talumpati, sulat, lathala o pagpapakalat ng paninirang puri laban sa pamahalaan ng Pilipinas o anumang otoridad nito. Kasama rin dito ang pagpigil o pag-abala sa sinumang opisyal na gampanan ang tungkulin ng kanyang opisina, pag-udyok ng iba na magsama-sama para sa mga iligal na layunin, pagmungkahi ng sabwatan upang magsimula ng rebelyon o kaguluhan, pagpukaw ng mga tao laban sa kinauukulan, pag-abala sa kapayapaan ng pamayanan, kaligtasan at kaayusan ng pamahalaan, o paglihim ng anumang masamang kasanayan. There are three punishable acts in the crime of inciting to sedition. May tatlong bagay o gawain na magdudulot sa krimeng pag-uudyok sa sedisyon. First, inciting others to the accomplishment of any of the acts which constitute sedition by means of speeches, proclamations, writings, emblems, etc. Ito yung pag-udyok sa ibang tao na gumawa ng anumang gawaing maituturing na sedisyon sa pamamagitan ng mga talumpati, pahayag, pagsulat, sagisag, bandila o iba pang representasyon. Second, uttering seditious words or speeches which tend to disturb the public peace. Ito naman ay pagbitiw ng mga mapanguyam na salita o talumpati na maaaring mga bala ng pampublikong kapayapaan. Third, writing, publishing, or circulating spurious libels against the government or any of the duly constituted authorities thereof, which tend to disturb the public peace. Ito naman ay pagsulat, paglathala, o pagpapakalat ng mga mabagsik na paninirang puri laban sa pamahalaan o otoridad na maaaring mga bala sa pampublikong kapayapaan. Take note, it is not the use of words, emblems, etc. and not the performance of an act that is punished in inciting to sedition. In inciting to sedition, the offender must not take part in any public or tumultuous uprising. That's all for this topic. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.